Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a little sneak peek of what I'm going to be working on today. It is a bronze 3D resin art piece. So stick around and I'll show you how I made it. I used the Suncatcher pigment powder by Lerez, artisan mica powder in bronze, Mayron gold, the Lerez blushing pink metallic epoxy paste. This one's really pretty, you guys. And the Stone Coat Countertops white base tint. So I did a pour on the piece that you just saw in frame, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was a hot mess disaster. So I had quite a bit of runoff from that piece, so I just decided I was going to use that and make a new piece. And I really like how this one turned out, so it actually ended up putting a smile on my face because my first pour was such a disaster. So as you can see, I just scooped up all the runoff from my wax paper there with a little popsicle stick. That's why I like working over wax paper. It's easy to scoop up all that runoff. Then I just put it on my vinyl record here, and I'm going in with my blushing pink, trying to be more heavy-handed towards the top with it. And to prep my vinyl record, I took it outside on a nice day and sprayed it with 2 coats of spray paint and primer in one, and I covered the hole on both sides with a 3M sticker label, and I taped it on the back side with electrical tape. So here I'm just going in with my artisan mica powder in bronze and just kind of filling in, working from the bottom up towards the blushing pink. And now I'm just going in and doing some finger swipes just to kind of blend those colors together. And on this piece I use my Promarine tabletop epoxy. That is a 1-to-1 ratio, and I mix that up off camera. I will put an iCard right here and link a tutorial down below if you want to see step by step. If you're new to resin, that shows you how to do everything step by step, mixing up your pigments, your resin, and all that good stuff. Here I'm just going in with some very small Mayron gold accent lines. I didn't want to do a ton of gold on this one. You guys know I love my gold, but I wanted to do just really thin lines on this piece, and you'll see in the end it gave some really cool, like feathery gold. So I just went in and did some where I thought it would look nice on this piece. Now I'm going in with the Stone Coat Countertops white base tint and doing the same thing, just adding some thin lines to give a little bit of an accent, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit too. I didn't want to add a lot of white, and I didn't want my lines to be super thick with the white, so I was just trying to go slow and not be too heavy-handed with it. Now I'm just going to go over the white lines with the Suncatcher by Lerez. You guys, this stuff is so pretty. I think I say it in every video, but if you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. It's just so beautiful. The camera does not do it justice. It's just really, really lovely and shimmery. So I'm just going with my popsicle stick, as you can see, and just going straight over those white lines too, just to make them pop a little bit more. And now I'm going to go in with my heat gun on high heat and just pop any bubbles that might be on the piece. Just go around, and that's it. I am going to wipe off the drips from the bottom and put it in my dust-free zone. I'll show you what it looks like in 24 hours. And here it is. Do you see that gold light feathering? That is the Mayron gold from those thin lines. Look at how pretty that is. And you guys, this piece like really looks 3D. I don't know, some magic happened when it was curing and I got those cells, but you know, it's totally flat on the surface, but it really looks, it reminds me of like a beautiful planet. and it's got that sun catcher, so it's nice and shimmery and beautiful. You can see it up close, and the stone coat white did some cells on its own too. And I didn't add a ton of heat to this one, just what you saw in the video, just to pop the bubbles. The bronze and that blushing pink go really well together. It's one of my favorite combos. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, please leave me a like. It helps YouTube promote my video for other people on their suggested watch list. The more likes you get, so that would be awesome if you could leave me a like. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I'll see you on Friday for another video. Bye guys.